to discuss about basic first aid kits for kids. Part 1. Let's find out what we get to see in a basic first aid box. Burn ointment, antiseptic lotion, chest pain tablets, band-aid, painkiller tablets, anti-vomiting capsules, crepe bandage, thermometer, alcohol and cotton swabs, ice pack, dropper, gauze and sponges, hand sanitizer, sanitizing wipes, mask, gloves, scissors, rolled bandage, tweezer and safety pins, and lastly, torch. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different items that you can get to see in a first aid box. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.